welcome to a setup video starring myself. Amputee done. But yeah, setup. This is a 8. Previously been skating in an 825, so we've had to get some narrower trucks as well. So, hence these are Bullet Team 140s, and they look. I think they're for size between 7.5 and like 8, I think, something like that. Anyway, but they look like absolutely perfect width. So we've got those. We've got some new hardware. Right, we've got some riser pads, independent 1/4 inch riser pads. Nothing special to say about them, but that should help with the wheel bite issues. And then hardware risers, they're the only ones I could get because I should have said sorry. Shout out Route 1. Thank you very much, guys. This is not a sponsored video, but I purchased this whole lot of stuff from Route 1, so I thought I'd just give you guys. Oh yeah, and I've got one of their shirts as well. So shout out, guys. I've been buying stuff from Route 1 for quite a long time now. One of my regular go-to shops. So guys, I'll put a link in the description, or just type in on the old Google Route 1 skate shop, and yeah, I don't know if they ship outside the UK, but if you're a UK person, definitely go check them out. I think they've actually said thank you very much, guys, for sending it out nice and quick, so we can get this video done and we can get a new setup done and rolling. And but I've got a few different ideas. I'm not quite sure exactly how we're going to do this, but something. I'm going to do some sort of, I say creative grip tape. It's not going to be like super creative, but just wanted to do something a bit of fun. I quite like doing funky stuff, so I forgot to mention we've also got, we might not get them set on today, they're not essential, but I decided to get some new rails. We've got the OJ, these are called juice bars. You can actually buy them individually, which is pretty cool. They come with all the hardware, the screws that you need there, so we will be fitting them on at some point as well. And yeah, I suppose that's the most important point. It's not a blank deck, it is a graphic deck. It is a Route 1 graphic deck. We've got a knife. Oh, by the way, guys, if you are using a knife and you're a young person or a child, be careful. And if you're an adult, you should probably also be careful, but knives can be sharp, and especially if you're doing like grip taping and stuff, please take care, mind your fingers. Anyway, we're this is quite exciting. Should be quite satisfying. This is like it's gonna be ASMR, like effing call it. Ooh. Oh, it didn't even score it. What in goodness names? Alright, I'll just go like that. There we are. I haven't got the specific dimensions to the top of my head, other than this is an 8-inch deck. It's a Route 1 graphic deck. Now I have my current complete is a Route 1 graphic deck. I've been really pleased with everything. I think they claim to have like a mellow to medium concave. Not entirely sure, but I think it's like a medium concave. So, and yeah, so here we are. We have, I think it's stunning. You guys can see that there. I will actually I've done some video, actually roll some B-roll in a second of before when I was setting it up, but yeah, I just love the texture. It's like they've managed to keep the stain and then layer the graphic on top of the stain, so you've got like the Route 1. As soon as I saw that, I was like, oh, that is sick. I just think it looks really, really smart, and I think it's going to look so nice with our silver coloured aluminium, whatever they are, Bullet 140s on there. I think that they're really, really, really good. Grip tape options. But yeah, I thought colour wise that doesn't look too bad either. Like I said, we don't have to sort out pardon me, we don't have to sort out the rails today, but like I've got them there anyway, but like so you can just get a bit of like a mock-up with it. It'd be nice to see what it looks like without rails, but I can't remember what time last year I started trying to do like rails. I've been doing more slides, so I found them really, really useful actually. I think it helps you like grind on a more like level stance. When I did my snow skating video the week, I was like basically cavemaning onto like just a deck like this with no rails on it, and it was like quite sketchy because you've got like quite a rounded surface to balance on. I think a lot of setup like videos about rails that I've watched have actually said very much the same thing. If you're going to be skating with rails, it does give you a more solid and like kind of even grind. So we have the deck. Wheels, you may be asking, because I haven't actually got any wheels upon this bed. Wow, wheels. We are going to be using my current set of wheels, which I friggin' love. That's my OJ Classic Hardline 99A 53mm, but they're like a really nice like tablet, I suppose, the shape, but like they're really good. They've got a really nice like flat edges, and they're really good for grinding. I love slapping in them, and I just find like the Elite, that's the OJ Elite Hardline. Really like that. So the first thing we're going to do before we can do anything else is have a bit of a think about what we're going to do with the grip tape. I think these three colours go together. What do you think, guys? We're going to go for purple at the bottom, so we're going to go purple at that end like that, and so you can see purple there, the greeny, if you want to call it, lime neon colour yellow there, and then that one like basically like that. So that'll just be like a streak of neon in the middle, which I think should look pretty cool. So. Let's get this. Oh, I'm really rubbish at this bit. This is the bit like I find like hardest to do, but here goes nothing. I also don't think I've got like the sharpest knife either, which doesn't really help. But how she be looking. Not too bad, I don't think. Just don't look too close, it looks dreadful. Feels really nice, like weight-wise in my hands. Definitely feels more like my board now because it's got grip tape on it and all have you. But yeah, I'm just going to go round the edge, round the outside, round the outside. Yeah. Alright, it's looking way better now. There we go, guys. We have got grip tape on the board. Whew. Nice. So, you know what that means next? Hardware time. Putting it into the packet. Oh, right, we've got a tear thing here. really think that looks really sweet. The bullet trucks do look really nice. The deck's looking good. Even my strange grip tape has come out pretty awesome there. Yeah. One thing left we've got to do is put some wheels on this beast, and should be good to ride. So let me pop her down here. Alright, we're back with wheels. I've just put some speed lube in them. These are the OJ Elite Hardlines 99A. Can't remember what size they are, and they're probably like a bill smaller now anyway, because I've actually been like riding these things down like crazy, and the Bones big balls, big ball bearings. So. Those wheels are a bit on the foul side, but here we are. Minus its rails, we have our Route 1 setup. The I don't even know what they call it. I'm just going to call it Octopus deck. It's freaking awesome, man. It looks lovely. Brand new bullet trucks, 140s. We haven't played with the bushings yet, but that might be something we do after we have our little test ride. We've got our OJ wheels on, like as we did before, with the Bones bearings as we were just talking about. We've got some custom grip tape going on there, and I'll definitely do some B-roll for you guys as well. But yeah, man, I so can't wait to try this out. That's going to be something you're going to have to wait to find out till tomorrow, because it's dark outside. That's why I've got like the lights set up and everything. Anyway, so I will do some B-roll for you guys. Hopefully the sun will come out, and hopefully we'll be able to get some good shots of this very gorgeous deck. But yeah, like 8-inch doesn't look too bad. I was worried it might be a bit too narrow, but looking at it so far, it looks doable. So we will see. I'll catch you guys on the flip side in the morning. See you tomorrow.